This is interesting. Self-isolation gets you down. With this app you can travel through time and space. I think I'm going to download it. Alright, let's see here. Please read instructions before use. Yeah, instructions for suckers. Let's give it a try. Wait, what just happened? Where am I?
The questions you should be asking is not just where am I, but when am I?
Who said that?
I did. You just downloaded me, and for the when it is 1994.
What? You're saying I actually traveled through time and space?
Of course you did, and you also traveled to Yellowstone.
Oh, this is awesome. I didn't think it would really work.
That hurts. You realize you were still wearing your pajamas? Let me guess you didn't read the instructions.
Well, no. I didn't think the app would really work.
I think I can help you out. Click on the avatar menu and choose your clothes.
Okay. Avatar menu, let's see. Shirt, pants, shoes, headwear, full outfit. Oh, I get it. It's like building your character in a video game. Okay, let's get started. Let's just try full outfits. Tweedledum? Okay, I guess I deserve that for not reading the instructions. What else you got? Wait, what? No, I don't think so. Didn't you say we're in Yellowstone? Maybe something a little bit more masculine and a little bit more on the wild adventurous side? Okay, well, this is definitely more wild, but I don't think this is what I was going for. Maybe I should just pick my own outfit from now on. Let's go back to where we started. Okay, that's better. Now, let's just start with something simple. Let's choose shirts. Okay. First shirt. Okay, well, no, this may be a little bit too beachy. Let's try the next one. Okay, it's all black. Everybody looks good in black, but let's see what else you got. Okay, this isn't bad. I think we can work with this. Alright, now, let's find some different pants. Let's see, first option. Oh, this isn't bad. Yeah, but it's really a little cool out. Maybe I should see if I can find something like in a blue jean. Okay, perfect. This will be great for going around Yellowstone. Now, maybe I should find some shoes. Flip-flops? Nah, probably not. Save those for the beach. Maybe just some tennis shoes. Right, that'll work. Now, let's see about a hat. Nope. Nope. Probably not. Still no. Next. Not bad, but nope. Next. Tempting, but no. Okay. This will probably work. Now for some sunglasses. Alright, now let's go explore. What'd you say the year was?
1994.
And the date?
September 2nd.
September 2nd, 1994? No wonder it looks so familiar. This was Dana and my first vacation together. Let's go see if we can find us. That looks like me packing. Maybe we've gone too far back. Let's skip ahead a little bit more. Oh yeah, I was working in Colstrip, Montana at the time. This must be the drive over to Billings to pick up Dana at the airport. And this is at Pompey's Pillar. If you look very closely, you can see where Clark from the Lewis and Clark expedition carved his name in the rock. This must be Red Lodge, Montana, where we spent the first night. And then we drove across Beartooth Pass to get into Yellowstone. The road was super windy. And let's just say the piece of carrot cake Dana had for breakfast ended up staying at the top of the pass. We both loved the Cutlass we rented, especially since my first car was a Cutlass. When we first got to Yellowstone, every time we saw buffalo, we stopped and took a bunch of pictures. Little did we know by the end of the trip we would see hundreds of buffaloes. say hi. How you doing? We stayed in Gardner, Montana for most of this trip. Looks like we're heading there now. There's the Comfort Inn we're staying at. Let's go check it out. There was a forest fire going on at Yellowstone at the time. The hotel warned us that we may have to evacuate if the winds shift. I guess maybe I should have chosen the fireman's hat. See the coyote back there in the trees? I had bet Dana we'd see a bear on the trip, so I took her to the Grizzly Discovery Center in West Yellowstone just to make sure I could win. While driving around, we somehow ended up in the middle of a herd of buffalo. These things were huge, and it was scary how close they got to the car. I've always thought the thermal features and hot springs at Yellowstone made it look like you're on another planet. This is one of the reasons Yellowstone is my favorite national park. In addition to seeing a bunch of buffalo, we also saw a whole ton of elk. Hey look, we did see a bear. I guess I did win the bet. Well, this has been fun, but it looks like we're in Cody, Wyoming, and I think this is where we ended our trip. So, I guess it's probably time for me to go back home. Whoa! That was crazy. I can't believe that just happened.
Where have you been all day? I've been looking for you.
You wouldn't believe me if I told you.
Try me.
I found an app on the internet, and I downloaded it, and it let me go back in time. I went clear back to Yellowstone to our first vacation.
To 1994?
That's right.
I don't believe you.
I did.
I don't believe you.
I did. Do you remember that vacation?
All I remember is that creepy old guy at Mammoth Springs hitting on me. Why don't you go do something useful, like cook me supper?
Okay, you heard it. I have to go cook supper. But if you want to keep following along our adventures, both past and present, click that subscribe button. We'll see you next time as we continue to do it across America.